What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois, and today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1988 Ford Mustang Fox body hatchback. This car is a time capsule from the late 80s, early 90s. Well drag light wheels. It's got a nice cam in it. Sounds great. 5-speed manual transmission. Original engine. Here's your engine bay here. It's got a few little modifications, but this thing drives great, sounds great, and is tons of fun. It's got headers. Go ahead and close the hood. Kind of hard to do here with two hands. Closes nicely, paint's in pretty good shape, shines bright. Interior's in really good shape as well. These are well drag light wheels. Let me give it a little rev. As you can hear, it sounds great. Odometer reads 87,000 miles. 5-speed transmission there. Got an aftermarket Kenwood head unit. 2 switches, one of them for the fuel pump. Your e-brake. Pretty standard here. AC works. Everything works pretty well. Doors close nicely. Just a really, really nice car. Get in it, drive, have some fun. If you are interested in this car, you can call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We're located in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock. Make sure to check the website, mgmclassiccars.com, for photos and details on all of our cars, including this one. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1988 Ford Mustang Fox body. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you here at MGM Classic Cars, because this car looks good, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.